When you open the box, inside the small black box, you'll find a portable carrying pouch, a bilingual manual, and a charging cable. The main box contains the H-massage gun itself, along with several interchangeable massage heads. First, the wedge head, ideal for massaging your lower back and leg muscles. The bullet head delivers deep, targeted pressure for joints or acupressure points. The sphere head helps relax soft or sensitive muscle areas. The tree head stimulates deeper muscle layers and acupressure points. The U-shaped head is great for massaging the neck, spine, or Achilles tendon. And finally, the heated head warms up to 104 Fahrenheit, helping to loosen tight muscles throughout your body. It's perfect for promoting full body relaxation. When attaching a head to the device, make sure to twist it gently into place rather than pushing it straight in. Forcing it in directly may cause physical strain or damage to the attachment area. Press and hold the power button on the right side of the control panel to turn on the device, and a green indicator light will appear. Press the button again, and the light turns yellow, which activates the heating mode. Press it once more to power off the device. The speed control on the left lets you increase intensity through 3 adjustable speed levels. You can check the current level using the right side indicator lights. For best results, the massage gun should apply consistent pressure while delivering vibration to your muscles. If it's too light, the vibration won't penetrate deep enough. But if it's too heavy, it becomes tiring to use. The H-massage gun features a compact design and lightweight body, making it easy to handle. Unlike similar products, even at low speeds, it maintains strong motor performance, so you can really feel the difference in quality. It also includes a heating head, a feature usually found only in premium models, which helps boost the effects of your massage by promoting muscle relaxation, improving blood flow, and relieving soreness more effectively. H-massage gun offers up to 6 adjustable handle angles. During use, awkward wrist angles can put unnecessary strain on your wrist, elbow, and shoulder, causing fatigue instead of relief. Fixed-angle massage guns often can't provide proper vertical pressure, especially for hard-to-reach areas. With the adjustable design, you can deliver precise vertical pressure, and even reach your back or lower waist easily on your own. Use the included carrying pouch to take it anywhere and use it conveniently on the go. The H-massage gun's handle extends up to 3.5 inches, allowing you to reach those hard-to-access spots effortlessly. This adjustable length design also helps apply steady pressure without extra effort. With one full charge, it can last up to 12 hours of use, so you don't have to recharge it daily. Simply charge it with the included cable, and once it's fully charged, the indicator light turns green. Do not use the device while charging. For more details, please refer to the included manual. If you still have any questions, feel free to contact the Health Korea customer service team anytime for assistance. Bring life back to your tired, tense muscles with the new H-massage gun.